Breaking news. This is Chance Beaver reporting from BNC Studios. Volcano Mantra on, what's this name? Salawalafala Island in Japan has erupted. I'll hand it over to reporter Devin Mayhem.
Today we arrive at Salawalafala and are witnessing a real live volcano. It's a smash hit. Just a joke. Now we will turn to Panic Citizen. Disturbing chance. But it's not Godzilla, it's Volcano Mantua.
Oh.
Around 7 a.m., Mantua erupted, and it hasn't stopped. Lava is just oozing out of the top, or what's left of it. It has claimed 7 lives, 23 injuries, and has caused the city of Salawalafala millions. Back to you, Chance. Chance! Wake up, Mr. Beaver.
Go.
I'm up, Devin. Chill. Anyways, Mantua appears to be a shield volcano. It's broad with gentle slopes. It's very large in its eruption type. Stromboli. I think my wife is making a stromboli tonight. Oh, sorry. It was an intermittent explosion and lava is going everywhere. It looks like shooting stars, but it's really volcano bombs and... Oh, wait. Poor Devin claims that he has a more calm witness. Devin, what you got? Okay.
Well, I have someone who has experienced this volcano firsthand. This is Kyle.
Hi, Mom. I was like walking down the street, and like the ground started all shaking, and it like shook some more. And like all of a sudden I heard it boom, and I was like, whoa.
Fascinating. Just kidding. Kyle, what happened next?
I don't know.
Very fascinating. Just play. The locals are grabbing all of their personal belongings and running for their lives. I gotta give it to them. They're pretty smart. In the movies, they try to stop it and they always get fried, but not these people. Back to you, sport.
We've just received video footage of 2 male surfers in their traumatic scene.
Wow, gnarly. That wave was killer.
Like, yeah, totally righteous.
So bossa nova. Oh, hey. We were catching some totally sweet waves when, like, our boards started getting really hot. And I was like, ouch!
Yeah, dude. So we got ashore, and like the ground, it was like shaking. What's that called again?
An earthquake.
You always had to be the smart one, don't you?
Yes.
Whatever. Anyway, there was like rocks flying everywhere. And Chip goes, dude, I think I hurt my arm. And I was like, what arm? So now he's like, starts freaking out and everything, you know, cause like he's like, one arm Chip.
As you can see, Volcano Mantua has not been a very friendly sight to the citizens of our Salawalafala. Devin? You there?
Yo.
Oh yeah, Chance, we're seeing this volcano's effects firsthand. Oh, wow, that's gonna leave a bruise. Wait, might wanna move, too late. The beauty of flying rocks. Oh, there goes my lunch. A few citizens are helping people to shelter. Take a look at this.
And go.
And so, my name is Bruno. It's my huge biceps and my ginormous pecs, my maximus speed.
Are you gonna save us or what?
I guess. Then come with me if you want to live.
Go.
Wait! Breaking news! The volcano has stopped erupting and lava has stopped flowing. It looks like the remainder of the citizens will be okay. Hoorah!
Go. Go.
Good night. This has been Fancy Today. Hey Bill, where's my chocolate?
Go.
Damn it. It's still on.
Go.
Turn this thing off.
Ano ba ito yung magdadabaris sa cream?